Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you are doing well wherever you are. I hope that this video will find you well, alive, and healthy. I am in Nairobi. Nairobi has woken up well, if that would be the best word to say. So, yesterday, Donald Trump took the presidential oath of office to become the 47th president of the United States of America.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear.
I, Donald John Trump, do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States.
The Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
And now there is President Trump receiving the 21-gun salute and the Hail to the Chief anthem that is usually the prerogative of the Commander-in-Chief of the United States Army and Navy.
And now we have the 47th President of the United States.
It seems like this is going to be the beginning of trouble for the government of President William Ruto, bearing in mind the aid and support and the consistency and, the kind of support the United States government has been giving to the government of Kenya. Now, remember, shortly after President Donald Trump ascended to the presidency, he went ahead to sign a flurry of executive orders. One of the orders established what is referred to as the DOG, the Department of Government Efficiency. And this is where the trouble for President William Ruto will purportedly begin. This department will be headed by Elon Musk, and its main task is to dismantle the bureaucracy in the US government. Part of this bureaucracy is what results to the aid that is being sent to African countries, including Kenya. Now, another responsibility that this Department of Government Efficiency will be tasked with is to slash unnecessary government expenditure. Remember, Trump is a business person, Trump is a no-nonsense person, and he is not likely to entertain billions and billions of dollars being sent to African countries, including Kenya, to finance missions that do not directly benefit the US government. Remember, Trump's slogan is America First, Make America Great Again. Anything that does not directly benefit the US government is going to be slashed. The funding for the mission on Haiti is likely to be slashed. And this is precisely why a while back, the government of William Ruto and that of Biden were looking into ways in which this mission can be continued under the support of the United Nations. It is unlikely that the US government is going to continue to finance the Kenyan military. It is very unlikely because this Department of Government Efficiency is going to look at institutions and dockets that directly benefit American citizens. Now, the Haiti mission, funding on Haiti mission, I think that this could also be slashed by the DOG, headed by Elon Musk. Funding on Ukraine is also likely to be affected. So this whole idea of DOG, or Department of Government Efficiency, is going to affect a lot of international entities, foreign missions, and so on and so forth. Another mission of the DOG to restructure federal agencies. Some of these federal agencies have foreign missions attached to them. If they are restructured, the main goal of this is going to be to cut unnecessary spending by the government. And when this is done, it is likely to affect the financing and the aid that Kenya is going to obtain from the US. Now, come on. We cannot pretend, as a country, we cannot pretend that the US government needs us more than we need them. We actually need them more than they need us. Sadly enough, that is the fact. President Donald Trump made certain declarations. Donald Trump declared that the government of the US henceforth will only recognize two genders, male and female. You remember at first President William Ruto was very vocal about not entertaining the idea that there could be other group, the so-called LGBTQ. But After he was summoned by President Biden to the US, he toned down on his firm stand on anti-LGBTQ rights. And I think it is his toning down and calming down and the willingness to accept the policies and standards of the US government that William Ruto was able to maintain good rapport with the Biden administration. I think it is because of this that President William Ruto was able to obtain a lot of aid in terms of military funding, police funding for infrastructure. Now that Trump has taken the mantle of leadership, it baffles me how things are going to play out, because Trump is signing executive orders to overturn every single policy that the Biden administration had established. Now, Trump is going to withdraw from WHO. Remember, the Kenyan government is one of the biggest beneficiaries of the funding from WHO. Actually, it is the US government that contributes, I think, about 40% of the funding that is donated to the WHO. If President Trump withdraw the US funding on this, then this is definitely going to affect Kenya as a nation. So to me, it seems like this is going to be the beginning of the end. It is going to be the beginning of trouble between the government of Kenya and the government of the US. And especially now that our President William Ruto had signed certain deals with the former administration, I'm not so sure whether these deals are going to be scrapped away or they are going to be executed, but we will just watch and see. We will wait and see how it plays out. Now, do let me know your thoughts and opinions about all this in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content such as this. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to subscribe and also reach out to me through the social media links available at the description of my channel. I am committed to informing, educating, and entertaining in a manner that mainstream media cannot. Alright guys, this is all that I had for you in this video. Let us meet up in the video that's coming right after this.